What is up? If you're watching this, that means you got another day. We're out here just outside of Salt Lake City, Utah at the Stradman. This is gonna be a really sick vlog today. We're gonna start off by shooting that Aventador in its skeleton mode, and then we're gonna swap it out with the Bugatti for a sunset shoot. It's about that time again. James is driving the GT350.
We're gonna go to 8080.
Go to 8080, and then we're gonna pick up the Lambo at the warehouse and then go shoot.
Let's do it. Oh my God.
This is sick. All right, so some secret cars in 8080, so we had to cut that one short, but not secret. All cars in this familiar place.
What's up?
You've upgraded since last time.
That's pretty cool.
All your cars were crammed in a driveway. And now
I know.
Look at this.
I know, but honestly, this place is almost full. I got more cars to drop off here later, and then I got more cars arriving in a couple weeks.
You know, a place like this would cost you like $6 million where we live. It would be absurd.
One reason I don't live there, and it's because I can own all this.
And we're driving this Lamborghini front end delete duct tape mod.
What?
I brought one more person.
You brought one more person?
Trust me.
I'm confused.
Come see who it is.
Okay.
Trust me, it's alright.
Okay.
Yep.
And finally, I have a fit that's as fresh as yours.
And I can already tell it's cold out here in Utah.
That's Utah in the winter. It's always cold
I'm like
up here.
shivering. It ain't looking good. This doesn't even sound like a Mustang. It sounds like a Skyline or something.
Sounds pretty crazy with that vlog.
Yeah.
All right, here's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Park that angle. A little bit. Keep going right there. Buddies over at sent me some sunglasses. What do you think, dude?
Yeah,
You wanna go get some pics with them?
We are out here. We're kind of getting like the views on views, but it's so windy that I feel like the wind is about to, you know, like pull me. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. That I really like about this car, the front suspension right there is beautiful, amazing. Check that out. I don't know how James is gonna do this, but he'll find out a way. Hey, you can already see me with this vlog camera like in a year.
You want to drive my car?
Oh, yeah, whatever you want.
Let's trade. Okay. All right, you can drive the VIP.
All right.
All right. I'm only in here because he said it wasn't cold.
It's not cold at all, bro. It's super nice.
Back to the Strat pad. Burlocker's got his cars out here, but he's not here today. Right now, we're gonna trade out for the Bugatti. And if you guys want to see the Bugatti vlog, you're gonna have to tune in for part 2.
This is insane. I'm about to post something on my story.
All right, let's get this guy positioned so we can get some photos.